All right, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Phil, from Transformation Auto Sales, back with another video. So in this video right here, y'all, I just got in a few of my parts for my motor. So we're gonna break everything down and show you what we got right here, man. So I had some tapping in the top of my motor. I kind of had a few people that told me it was different things like the oil pump seal. Somebody else said it was lifters. Somebody else said it could have been the rockers. So it's just a bunch of stuff. So I reached out to the mechanic. Basically was like, look, man, I kind of want to soup up my motor. So he kind of gave me an idea of some stuff to get. So I'm gonna let y'all check this out right here. We got the Tooley kit. So I'm gonna see what I came in the Tooley kit, man. I ordered this off eBay. So if y'all want to, they only had a few left. Go check it out on eBay, man. But yeah, I'm gonna slowly unbox this, open this up, let y'all see what we got right here. Make sure I don't cut into nothing. So boom, there we go. I'm gonna have to give me a camera stand too, man. All right, so check this out. This what we got in the kit, man. This what we got in the kit. All right, so we got this right here. Whatever this is. Some kind of seal. We got that in the kit. We got this right here. We got these in the kit. These sound like they metal too. So they must be heavy duty. So we got them in the kit. I think these go on the bottom of the heads, right? Y'all let me know. I know some stuff about motors, but I don't know a whole lot. But these do look like they must be the, what you call it? The head gaskets. These look like the head gasket seals or something like that. But they metal. So we got those. That's your Tooley Racing. It is. All I had to do was read the package. I'm good though, right? Head gasket pair. Right there. Tooley Racing, man. If you know, you know. Alright, so then right here, we got Tooley Racing valve stem seal kit. Right there. Tooley Racing valve stem seal kit. Yeah, we got the valve stem seal kit right there. Right here, what is this? This one ain't labeled. I don't know what this is right here. It's a big old bolt for something, man. So we got that in there. Whatever this is. We got that in there. Maybe y'all know some of this stuff that I don't know. What's that, y'all? Let me know if y'all know what that is. So we got that. What we got right here? We got the Delphi lifters. Delphi lifters from AMS Racing. So these supposed to be good too, I guess. Delphi lifters. All right. So let me close that up. Try and do this with one hand, y'all. It's a little tough, but we'll get it done. All right, slide that to the side. Got your Delphi lifters right there. Then next, we got the BTR Tooley Racing valve springs. BTR valve springs. So we got the valve springs. What else we got? BTR valve train components. So this is the Tooley Racing valve train components, man. This the push rods. Yep. So that's the push rods right there. Let me see what else we got. That's paper, and this is the cam. I already know that. This is the camshaft. Yep, the chop starts here. We got the Tooley Racing camshaft, man. This is a .553 lift. 0.553. So it ought to have a nice little chop to it, man. So yeah, that's the whole little kit right there. So like I said, I got this kit right here off of eBay. So for all this that I just showed y'all, man, off of eBay with the shipping and everything. It hit me for like $800. You know what I'm saying? So that hit me for a little $800 on that. But everything that I showed you is what comes in the kit. So y'all let me know if that was a good price for that. I don't know. If it's gonna make my motor new, then I guess it ain't too bad, right? All right, so then right here, he told me that I needed to get this too. I'm gonna try to cover up my address. But yeah, not that it really matters, but it do matter. All right, so then I had to get something else. I had to get some extra gaskets that didn't come with it. So we got this gasket right here, whatever that is. We got these gaskets right here, whatever those are. That's the that's for the exhaust right there. I can tell that's for the exhaust. This probably for the oil pan. That look like an oil pan gasket right there. Those are metal. Then we got that right there. That gasket right there. Let's see. Then we got the rear cover gasket right here. What else we got? That gasket right there. There's a bunch of gaskets, obviously. Then we got the timing chain damper seal right there. Then we got whatever this is right here. Then we got whatever this is. Let me see. It's a valve cover gasket set right here. Then we got the water crossover gaskets right there. And I think that's it in the box. Is that it in here? Pretty much everything. All right, so a little something else in here. We got whatever this is. That is, shoot, I don't know, man. That's in there. We got this in there. We got that in there. Make sure I don't lose nothing because I know I need all this stuff. Got that in there. What else? We got this filter adapter bypass. I think that's it. They even got me a BTR sticker too. Not the BTR sticker too. Let me put that somewhere. And then we got one more gasket was right down here in the bottom. So, that too. It's probably for the other side. So yeah, man, that's the whole little, that's everything in that box right there. Y'all can see the box is empty. So yeah, that was separate from this, right? So let me see what that hit me for. I think that I want to say this kit right here hit me for $250. I think that kit right there hit me for hold on, let me think. I'm pretty sure it was $250. Hold on real quick. The BTR Racing. I tell you right here what all is in there too, right? So yeah, this was all in this gasket kit. Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, I think I paid $250 for this gasket kit. And then I paid $800 for this right here. So you're looking at what's that, $1,050 for those two right there. So I mean that should have the motor, you know what I'm saying, pretty much what we needed. I know he said I still gotta get a oil pump. I think he said an oil pump, timing chain set, and something else, man. But I know my headers are here. I'm gonna do another video so I can show y'all my headers too, man. So I'm putting headers on there. But hey, y'all let me know what else y'all think I need to do to the motor, man. Or let me know if y'all think the stuff that I got ordered is gonna make it sound like it need to. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I think that's all on this video though, y'all. I know it's kind of long and drawn out, but I don't practice videos. I don't edit the videos or none of this. So whatever you get raw, that's what you're gonna get. You know what I'm saying? So hey, man, I appreciate all my people. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And yeah, man, I'll be back with another video real soon, man. Till next time, man, y'all be easy. Let's get it. Let's go.